This is video, Bill.
Oh, jeez.
Has frozen over. Is there anything you can say to them?
Anything, Mayor, none of you can say to the folks the 4%
I'm getting watched to college, so.
Hello, everyone. Phil Henderson, ACRO from Montgomery County Heritage Races. We are on standby here at the AA3E Center here at the EOC for the activation on February 9th, 2010 for the winter storm that's approaching the area. It's now 22:16 hours, and we are on standby as PEMA has not officially activated for the state, but we are activated for the county. Doug can, behind the camera, he can take a look at the room here. We are in standby mode. Have the log there on the computer for our tactical net. And we also have 80 meters set up on the Kenwood radio, HF radio, to communicate with PEMA once they do get activated in Harrisburg. And we also have the APRS up on the wall. Joe, AA3JC, is working on it right now to fine-tune it a little bit. And then we have my various radios here, my county EMA radio, scanner, our HTs, our little command center here. So that is what we are doing, our first activation in 5 years, Doug?
Yeah, probably.
And we are on standby for this big storm.